Okay guys, I want to show you what we got accomplished this weekend. If you come around the corner here, you see that we've got the floor done in the walk-in closet that's attached to the front bedroom. And we finished painting, plastering, and getting everything put together. And the final wood floor is now down in this bedroom. And I can say that I was surprised that it was only about a day and a half of work, maybe 6 hours, 8 hours total. But we're just thrilled today, thrilled to death. Look at that gorgeous gunstock oak flavor, red and brown tone. It's beautiful. And here's a view outside our back door. Used to be the front of the house. Look at that gorgeous green spring leaves and everything that's all up. Gorgeous. So next weekend we're gonna have to finish a little bit patching on the entrance door. And then sooner or later we're gonna hire somebody come in to hang the door for this bedroom and the master bedroom. But that's what we've done this weekend, and we're so excited that all the finished hardwood floor is now done.